In this clip I want to show you how to create a new page in your Google site. At the moment you can see I've got one page which is my home page, and you should automatically have that page as soon as you created your site. And I've also got another page that I've created here called Literacy. I'm going to create another one now called Numeracy and show you how I do that. The first thing you need to do is go up to this button here called Create Page. Click that and give your page a name. I'm going to call mine Numeracy, and it's going to ask you what sort of template to use. You've got different options here like announcements, which is a little bit like a blog sort of style page. Other options here, I always just go with the web page option. And this part here is quite important. You've got to choose where your location is. I'm going to choose to put mine at the top level. When you wouldn't choose that option, you could choose to put it under a different page that you have. And for example, if it was a sub page of Numeracy like statistics, then I might choose it to put under my Numeracy page. At the moment, I'm just going to put at the top level. So I'm happy with those options. I'm going to push create. And you can see here that it's come up in the sidebar. So now I've got my pages here, home, literacy, and numeracy. And by default, it's also given me the option to add files and add comments. So I'm going to get rid of those in my page settings. So I have to save the page first. And then I can go to the More Actions button and choose page settings. So I do this for every page that I create. Page settings, I only want it to show the page title, and I'm going to untick the other options as I don't want them to show. And I'm going to click save, and you'll see those disappear. And now on my sidebar, I've got my home page, I've got my literacy page, and the one I just created, my numeracy page. So that's the process you go through for every page that you want to create in your website.